If you've ever tried to save an image from Microsoft Edge and noticed it comes in a format you don't want, like WEBP, this video is going to help. Today, I'll show you how to save images in multiple formats in Edge, and more importantly, how to change the file type right when you save it. This is a super useful trick if you want PNG, JPG, or another format for editing, sharing, or uploading to different platforms. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick and practical tech videos. Alright, let's jump in. First, find the image you want to save in Microsoft Edge. This can be on any web page, whether it's a blog, a product page, an article, or an image search result. Once you've found the image, move your mouse over it and right-click on the image. A menu will appear with different options. From that menu, click Save Image As. This opens the Save window where you can choose the folder on your computer and rename the file if needed. Now here's the important part. In the file name box, look at the extension at the end of the file name. You'll often see something like .webp. That means the image is being saved in WEBP format. If you want to save it in another format, simply change that file extension manually. For example, replace .webp with .png if you want a PNG file, or change it to .jpg if you want a JPG image. Just make sure you only change the extension at the end of the file name, not the main name of the file itself. After changing the extension, choose the folder where you want to save the image, then click Save. Edge will save the file using the format you selected. This gives you a simple way to control the image type without needing any extra software or complicated steps. Now, one thing to keep in mind is that not every website will allow every image format to work perfectly just by renaming the extension. In many cases, this method works great for quick conversions, especially when you need a file that's easier to use in Windows, editing apps, or content creation tools. If the image doesn't open correctly after renaming, you may need to use an image converter, but for most everyday uses, this method is fast and convenient. Let me quickly give you a few useful examples. If you're downloading images for presentations, PNG is often a great choice because it keeps quality high. If you want a smaller file for general use, JPG can be a better option. And if the image originally downloads as WEBP, changing it to one of these formats can make it much easier to work with. So the process is really simple. Right-click the image, choose Save Image As, change the extension in the file name box, and then save it. That's all it takes to save images in multiple formats in Edge. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.